Hello guys, welcome to GizzyFix. So apologies for the white noise sound there, but if you're encountering an issue with your Atari Jaguar, essentially where you're getting absolutely no audio whatsoever, this might be a video that can help you. And essentially it's just a chip replacement. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's have a look. So while I undo the console, I'm going to talk a little bit more specifically about what chips it could be. So essentially it's two power regulators. One is the U38, which is a main power switching regulator, and REG1, which does more of the audio specific 5-volt regulation. On my particular console, it was the REG1 that actually blew. Now this can be symptomatic of using an unofficial power supply. It delivers too much power to the Jaguar's board and ends up frying these two chips. I was quite lucky, it was just REG1, so I had absolutely no audio, as you heard at the start of the video, but you may also be encountering an issue where your Jaguar doesn't turn on at all. Now that could be the U38 chip also needs replacing. I'm not going to touch on that in this video. We're just going to focus on getting the REG1 replaced and getting this console back to a good working order. Okay, so a bit of a positive is these chips are cheap. That sounds terrible. And you are going to need some very basic soldering skills to be able to complete this repair. Essentially, you can get through with a soldering iron and a bit of solder wick just to soak up the excess solder like a sponge. And don't forget a bit of isopropyl alcohol just to clean the surface, get it spotless, ready for the new chip to be soldered to the board. So once you're happy everything's nice and clean, what we're going to use now is a little bit of solder flux. Essentially, this just makes soldering so much more easier, and essentially the solder goes where it needs to, as you can see here. There's probably better ways of doing this, but this is what I chose and it worked for me. Once you're happy you've got an even spread, we're going to get the chip and we're just going to tack one pin. We call it tacking. Just going to heat one pin so it stays in place. Once it's staying in place, now you can start to do every single pin and making sure you've got a good, even, solid connection between every pin. Once you're happy, clean up the excess flux with a bit of isopropyl alcohol and we're ready to test. And there we go guys, so hopefully that is the sound that you will hear when you've replaced your chip, or if you had to replace the U38 also. I really hope this video has been helpful to you. All we need to do now is make sure we put everything back as it was, putting all the screws back in and having none left over, and we should have a nice functioning Atari Jaguar ready to play soon. Although I wouldn't recommend it. And there we are guys, hopefully you found that useful. If you have any dramas, please let us know in the comments. I'll always get back and help if I can. If you need to find where the chips are, they are still available. It's a bit hard to find them, but they are still there. I hope you found the video helpful. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're doing well, and take it easy.